How children can prepare at home to give a confident speech on stage. Speaking on a stage is not only about standing with a microphone and talking. It is the result of many small preparations done quietly at home every day with patience, discipline, and practice. A good speech is built step by step long before the child reaches the stage. 1. Reading daily to build language and ideas. Children should develop a habit of reading every day. Reading storybooks, newspapers, lessons, and short articles improves vocabulary, sentence formation, and confidence in speaking. When a child reads regularly, words come naturally while speaking, and they do not struggle to express their thoughts on stage. Second, practice the speech aloud at home. Reading silently is not enough. Children should stand and read the speech loudly, as if they are already on the stage. This helps them get used to hearing their own voice and improves clarity, pronunciation, and fluency. Third, record and listen to their own voice. One of the best methods is to record the speech on a phone and listen to it carefully. While listening, children can notice wrong pronunciation, very fast speaking, very slow speaking, unclear words, lack of expression. They can correct these mistakes and record again. This process improves speaking quality greatly. Fourth, identify and correct mistakes. After listening to the recording, children should notice their mistakes and work on them. They can practice difficult words separately, improve pauses, and add proper expression when needed. Fifth, practice in front of family members. Children can gather family members at home and deliver the speech as if it is a real stage. This reduces stage fear and builds courage. Family members can also give suggestions for improvement. Sixth, discuss with friends. Discussing the topic with friends helps children gain new ideas and better understanding. Sometimes, friends suggest better examples, sentences, or points that can make the speech more interesting. Seventh, act and give small presentations at home. Children can pretend that their home is a stage. They can talk, they can walk, use hand gestures, maintain eye contact, and practice body language. This makes them comfortable while speaking before an audience. 8th, study the topic well. A child who understands the topic deeply can speak confidently, even if they forget a line. Understanding is more important than memorizing. 9th, work on self-confidence. Children should encourage themselves with positive thoughts like, I can do this, I am well prepared, I will speak confidently. Confidence comes from preparation. 10th, repeat practice every day. Regular practice, even for 10 to 15 minutes daily, makes a big difference. Last minute preparation never gives the same result as daily practice. A good stage speech is not made on the stage. It is made at home. Through reading, practicing, recording, correcting mistakes, discussing, acting, and preparing with dedication. When children follow these steps sincerely, they do not fear the stage. Instead, they enjoy speaking and give a powerful, confident speech. Thank you.